The task was to bring to life a model based on a picture book. The working model is required to incorporate two interdependent working mechanisms. Our working model will display pneumatics and an electrical lighting system. The working system is to go with a design folio documenting the design processes and the construction of the working model, and an edited 5-minute video explaining the construction of the model and the steps taken in the design process. Whilst understanding the design brief, we discussed the possibilities of using Possum Magic by Mem Fox and Lost and Found by Oliver Jeffers.
We decided on using Lost and Found because we both loved the story and found that children in early education would not only like the story, but would enjoy investigating the working systems that would bring the story to life. In the book, the boy returns his penguin friend to the South Pole, only to realise they were both lonely and wanted to be together again. The penguin and the boy search for each other until they are reunited.
We picked a page of the story and brought it to life by using hydraulics and electrical systems. In our scene, the boy and the penguin are rowing in the boat during a nighttime scene.
The size of our working model is within the design constraints, measuring 40 centimetres by 36 centimetres.
The systems we have used is a hydraulic system that uses water as the force that pushes the boat through the waves in our working model. The hydraulic system connects to the boat with the little boy and the penguin using a wooden disc, double-sided tape, and a recycled lipstick box. The electrical system, which is powered by two AAA batteries, uses 3-volt lights to light up 2 of the 4 stars in the working model. To complete the circuit, we have attached a paper clip wrapped in aluminium foil to the front of the boat. When pushed along by the hydraulic system, ignites the switch. The switch is created by a cardboard tab. The wires have been attached to the tab using a split pin and aluminium foil.
In creating our working model, we use predominantly sustainable materials, with at least 90% of our materials being recycled products. We chose the materials because they were easily accessible. The only materials that were sourced outside of the provided university material packs were the 6mm by 5mm clear vinyl tubing, 2 3-volt lights, and the AAA battery pack to power them. We were also given the 2 larger syringes to power our hydraulic system.
We have been fortunate enough of having some little helpers in creating our design. The helpers were able to operate the hydraulic system and power the working model easily. Therefore, we believe that the working model could potentially be used in an early childhood education setting as an experience or an exploration.
We encountered many challenges in the process of making this model. Originally, we wanted 4 lights to switch on. Upon testing the circuit, the brightness of the lights was affected. We decided to amend our design to only 2 working lights for a more effective glow. When switching the system on, we needed a bigger surface to engage the switch. We reinforced the paperclip and attached using electrical tape. We also covered the paperclip in aluminium foil. The connector was very temperamental, so we added a cardboard tab connected to the circuit using a split pin and aluminium foil. We also had to reinforce the boat track by strengthening the joints underneath. Another issue was the boat and the syringe did not line up in our original design. To fix this problem, we found a wooden disc that was approximately the size of a 20-cent piece and attached that underneath the boat to the lipstick box. Using the double-sided tape to attach the wooden disc to the syringe, we roughed up the surface of the disc and glued using the hot glue gun to the syringe. We have explored both the Australian curriculum and the early years learning framework and have highlighted the relevant points according to the ages 0 to 8 and to the foundation year in the Australian curriculum.
We worked collaboratively and effectively to complete our design task. We explored what would be possible in creating our design due to commitments, travel and studies. We decided to split responsibilities to incorporate our strengths. When compiling the model, the working systems and information for the brief, all efforts and attention was completed together and effectively. Overall, our time management to complete this task has been highly effective and collaborated. We started our brief early, enabling us plenty of time to complete this task.
There was a boy and there was a penguin, strangers from opposite sides of the ocean. And like the beginning of any friendship, theirs is a remarkable story indeed.